And now, immediately after the release of Ghana Premier League fixtures, no, eba bonten, in Central Nibi, ewo kroma, ye friend no, NUHU Adams no ye juma o multimedia. But say no, I think say unihobium. Na okoye comment okoye ye no, eno ho attacks pa, ena a free enra, ewe nyina has supporters. The echo San Centroni so verbal attack ma menka ne ye uko media no so a enyasem ketwa kra omo horo no pa nsem okokan ye no it is quite boni beka say a delicate kakra because asem no ekwan bi so obi beka say o ka no kre because across of folk coach no crab bond aba bonten ebeka de na Centroni ne e kan wo de ne nsem okan ye nta has for e attack no be ma ho has first 5 games no ne Basaki Holy Stars now wabo Heart of Lions now wabo Bechem United no wabo Nations FC no wabo Aduana FC until after the release and Centroni no NUHU Adams a call the Facebook and control side way to us Ghana Premier League House of Folk to begin relegation battle against newly promoted Basaki Holy Stars. Has for who say did the attempt or say has for ebe share omu season na say with omo be share season na say to battle relegation biom with Basaki Holy Stars. Was it has for be share season na say to battle relegation with Basaki Holy Stars. No person say has league ebe boy a relegation or moko battle because in the last 3 seasons Tembia Yebu League we has the chiri baby into who say has a battle relegation and a comment na say by work on your stomach little and now we so the by kosoro kobo nipa with too much hash use your brain small now you grow so after the comment no and now obi so sad about say common sense has eluded you cratching whilst you are also starting your work at BBC from your bed. And or the love imagination. We so say, are you a journalist? Stop the link you are. Let us attacks no if free and rare no. It was towards Centroni or Kokan has for as me say has for ever started or more battle for relegation. Or say Ghana, how can this call himself a journalist? Useless post. It seems like you don't have anything tangible to post. And now we so the boss say, hey, are you happy there? If it is about House of Folk, then it is party for you. We will enjoy it because if putting this then makes you happy, then I guess you have to celebrate anytime you try to do this to House of Folk. Ghana sports journalists, you are the best in the world, so called. Why always fooling yourself here? Now when you need this one is too harsh for Meduri. When foolishness take over common sense, professionalism is thrown to the dogs. A journalist like your caliber think the best way to promote our league is to belittle it. You make your head like dog in Dagate market ufui. And I also say work on your stomach. But meanwhile, across the food coach, Watara, the press conference and I don't know and Asamo Kane was say I can't promise the supporters of winning titles this season. I am only playing to survive relegation. It's as someone said Johnny Nikano has for now munya boterewai because one coach say play the league to survive.